How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to tweeze and shape eyebrows for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. If you guys are also interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. There are different ways to tweeze and shape your eyebrows and different methods. I will tell you guys a few different methods that you can do. For shaping and for the tweezing aspects of it, just make sure that you don't have any hair in between where your eyebrows join, and you should be fine, you guys. Generally, you want a little bit of space in between your eyebrows. Don't have too much space or your eyebrows will look funny. Trust me on this. Just play around with it for a bit and you will find out what works for you. Here are some other methods of getting rid of bad eyebrows. Hair removal cream. Very common for people who are scared to shave or wax. All you do is apply the hair removal cream to the area that you want the hair to be removed from, and you just follow the directions on the packages. Some creams will have long set times where you have to leave the cream on the area. Other creams will have short times. Either way, just follow the directions, apply the cream, wait for it to settle, then it should be gone by itself. Very easy and simple to do. Waxing, very common for a lot of guys and girls. Apply the wax to the area where you want to remove the hair. Let it sit for a bit, and once it gets sticky, simply pull and remove. Just keep in mind that this may be a little bit painful the first time trying this out, you guys. Shaving, probably the most common for guys and girls. Simply shaving with a razor is fast and simple way to get rid of the hair from your eyebrows. Just keep in mind, by shaving, it will grow back quicker, as in the next few days, as compared to if you waxed it or use a turmeric paste. Laser hair removal, you guys. If you have the money and you want probably the most effective way to remove hair, then I highly recommend laser hair removal. What will happen is that over time the hair growth will not grow back as quickly, so eventually it will be almost gone, you guys. You go in for multiple treatments of the hair removal. Generally, it's not usually a one-time thing. It's something that you do on a week-to-week or bi-weekly basis. Again, if you have the money, I'd recommend doing it. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.